Services with Retroprook School presents an Inside Music here for lesson on the song The Big Bass Drum. We will be doing note reading, we will be doing lyrics reading, and singing of the notes and the lyrics as well. So stay tuned. So first, we will read the notes of the song. This is our notes. As you can see, we are having this 4 times signature. The upper number here means that we can have only 4 beats or counts in one measure. But this is an upbeat, but then it will get some of this value of the notes over here at the end. A half note got 2 beats, right? A quarter got 1, so that's already 3 plus 1 half. Another half, that's already 1, so that is 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 over here, that makes it into 4. So it's still complete. So over here, let me explain briefly. A quarter note's got 1 beat, 3 of it, so it's got 3 beats here. 2 8 notes got 1 beat, okay. And over here we have a quarter rest with a 1 beat rest, and over here we have a half note with 2 beats, and we have a repeat sign over here, this one and this one. So when we read it or sing it, we'll first go this way, down here, and then go back, and then read it this way, and then straight right away to the ending. Okay, so you can read with me or you can read after me, that's up to you. So let me read the notes according to its rhythm. So let's do it this way. Do, mi, sol, 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 la, sol, mi, do. Do, 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 ti, la, la, sol. Mi, re, re, mi, re, do. Mi, re, mi, re, do. Sol, do, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, mi, sol, 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 la, sol, mi, do. Do, 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 ti, la, sol. Mi, re, mi, re, do. Mi, re, mi, re, do. Sol, do, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, so we're done with the reading of the notes according to its rhythm. And let's go now to the next slide, which is, let us read the lyrics of the song. You may ask me, teacher, what are lyrics? Lyrics, in other words, are the words of the song. Okay, so our song is the big bass drum. Okay, and as you can see, aside from the big bass drum, we will be singing on number 2, stanza 2, about the tambourine, and on stanza 3, we'll be singing about the triangle. And over here, on stanza 1, if we sing about the big bass drum, we'll have the sound of it, like the boom, boom, boom. Okay, and then when we sing on stanza 2 about the tambourine, we'll have the sound clink, clink, clink. And if we have the sound of, and if we have number 3, stanza 3, about the triangle, then we can have the ting, ting, ting sound. Okay, so actually, we will read it, okay? Oh, we can play on the big bass drum. This is the music to it. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. And that is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the tambourine. This is the music to it. Clink, clink, clink goes the tambourine. Clink, clink, clink goes the tambourine. And that is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the triangle. This is the music to it. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. And that is the way we do it. Okay, actually, we can add more percussion instruments or any other instruments, musical ones, to add to this song. But we will only do the 3 instruments that is listed here. Okay? So, we're done with the reading. And we're now going to read, or rather sing, the notes, because we're done reading. So it's singing now, singing the notes and the lyrics of the song. Okay? So we will have Teacher June to sing the notes and the lyrics, and you can sing along with him. So take it away, Teacher June.
Mi, sol, 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 la, sol, mi, do, do, ti, la, sol, mi, re, mi, re, do, mi, re, mi, re, do, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Oh, we can play on the big bass drum. This is the music to it. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. And that is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the tambourine. This is the music to it. Cling, cling, cling goes the tambourine. Cling, cling, cling goes the tambourine. And that is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the triangle. This is the music to it. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. And that is the way we do it.
Okay, so how about if we give it another round of singing the notes and the lyrics again with Teacher June? Okay, let's do it again. Teacher June.
Mi, sol, 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 la, sol, mi, do, ti, la, sol, mi, re, mi, re, do, mi, re, mi, re, do, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Oh, we can play on the big bass drum. This is the music to it. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. And that is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the tambourine. This is the music to it. Cling, cling, cling goes the tambourine. Cling, cling, cling goes the tambourine. And that is is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the triangle. This is the music to it. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. And that is the way we do it.
Awesome singing, year 4. And now we're going to learn the vocabulary words that are included in your song. So as we can see here, this kid, he plays the big bass drum in the marching band. He's still wearing his uniform. Okay. So this is called the big bass drum. Okay. You need to be very strong to be able to do the marching as well as the playing when you have this instrument, the big bass drum. Okay, so here's another big bass drummer, and the drum goes boom, boom, boom. That's the sound that we can hear when this old guy here, okay, beats the big bass drum. Next, instrument number 2 is the tambourine. As you can see, this one has got ribbons on it, and this one just got a painting here. Okay. So if you like shake this and strike this, hold this with you actually have to make this sound by holding it in one hand, and you can strike it on your other hand. Okay, so you can actually play it with 2 hands. This is one of the percussion instruments. Okay, what are percussion instruments? Percussion instruments are those instruments that you have to shake, strike, or hit to make a sound like the big bass drum. Okay, you have to hit it here so that it will make the boom boom sound, right? And going to the tambourine, okay, you have to hit it with your hand to make it sound of the clink clink. Okay, so this girl, I think she holds the tambourine on the other hand and strikes her hand on this one to make a sound while she has to dance. Okay, so that's the clink clink sound of the tambourine. Next, what we have here is obviously called the triangle. It's called the triangle because it has the shape of a triangle. Okay, you put it here in one hand, and your other hand has to hold this one here, and you have to strike the triangle to make it sound that will make on the next slide like that. And the sound that it makes is a ting ting sound. Okay, so this girl, she plays with the triangle. So your song has only said about these 3 instruments, and they are, again, the big bass drum that makes the boom boom sound, and on stanza 2 it tells about the tambourine that makes the clink clink sound, and on stanza 3 it tells about the triangle that makes the ting ting sound. Okay, so actually your vocabs are just very easy, right? So let's go back to the lyrics. As you can see, it says here that, oh, we can play. Oh, they can play these 3 instruments. And it says here that if they can play these instruments, there is a music that they can make out of it. And the sounds are as follows. Okay? Boom, boom, boom for big bass drum. Clink, clink, clink for the tambourine. And ting, ting, ting for the triangle. And it says here, and that's the way they have to do it so that they can make music out of these percussion instruments. So I think Teacher June will do another round of singing for the notes, and then you have to post it so that we can show the students the slide for the lyrics. Okay, so let's have it again. Let's hear Teacher June with the singing, and you can sing along with him.
Do, mi, sol, 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 la, sol, mi, do. Do, ti, la, sol. Mi, re, mi, re, do. Mi, re, mi, re, do. Sol, do, sol, fa, mi, re, do.
Stop.
Oh, we can play.
Okay, so the next thing that we will do is we will do our vocab slide while the song is playing on the lyrics. Okay, take it away, Teacher June, on the lyrics.
Oh, we can play on the big bass drum. This is the music to it. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. And that is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the tambourine. This is the music to it. Cling, cling, cling goes the tambourine. Cling, cling, cling goes the tambourine. And that is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the triangle. This is the music to it. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. And that is the way we do it.
Okay, so kids, on the lyrics part of the song, you were able to understand the song better because you saw the slides, right? Where it started with the big bass drum. Okay, so I think before we end, let's do it one more time with the notes and then the lyrics with the slides. Take it away, Teacher June.
Mi, sol, 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 la, sol, mi, do. Do, ti, la, sol. Mi, re, mi, re, do. Mi, re, mi, re, do. Sol, do, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Oh, we can play on the big bass drum. This is the music to it. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. Boom, boom, boom goes the big bass drum. And that is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the tambourine. This is the music to it. Cling, cling, cling goes the tambourine. Cling, cling, cling goes the tambourine. And that is the way we do it. Oh, we can play on the triangle. This is the music to it. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. Ting, ting, ting goes the triangle. And that is the way we do it.
Okay, so therefore, that ends our slideshow for our song. So I hope that you get to do the following. Okay, so what are the tasks that you were asked to do today? Is that you're going to sing the notes. Yes, you're able to do that. And another thing is that you were able to sing the lyrics, okay? And that you know your vocabs with the big bass drum and with its sound, the boom boom sound, with your instrument, the tambourine, with its clink clink sound, and last but not the least, the triangle with a ting ting sound. So that's it for now, year 4. Until we see each other again on the next video. Bye for now.